Hello everyone. Today's topic is Asia climatic factors. So Asia experiences a variety of climatic conditions. The main factors that control the climate of Asia are number 1, that is size and latitudinal extent. Number 2, distance from sea. Number 3, relief features or the mountain ranges, the direction of mountain ranges. Number 4, winds. Number 5, ocean currents. Let's take them one after another. First is size and latitudinal extent. The Asian continent has a vast size and latitudinal extent covering all the 3 heat zones. Thus, it has all the varieties of climate ranging from hot and wet climate till cold Arctic type. Now understand the latitude in detail. The place which is located far away from the equator, the climate becomes colder. The places located on equator, the climate over here is hot. The places located on tropics, between circles and tropics, in the north and south of equator, they have moderate climate. The temperature is affected by the sunlight or sun rays received by the place. At equator, the places receive direct sunlight, so these places are hotter. And as you go away from the equator, the angle of sunlight created on the surface of the earth becomes low. That is why they are experiencing colder climate. Second is distance from the sea. The interior of Asia, the interior parts of Asia which are far away from the sea, and these places have extreme climate. Why? Because they are far away from moderating influence of the sea. Let's understand that. Sea exerts moderating influence on climate of the place because of land breeze and sea breeze. We have seen that in one of the video which explains land and sea breeze. If the places which are located away from the sea, they have extreme climate, and the places which are close to the sea, they have moderate climate. Why? Because land absorbs heat very quickly during the summer and loses it very quickly during the winter. So inland areas which are far away from the sea, they have very hot summer and very cold winter, extreme summers and extreme winters. Therefore, inland areas which are far away from the sea, they have larger temperature range than coastal areas. Temperature range means what? Temperature range means the difference between high and low temperature during a day. This is already explained in the video of weather and climate. Next is relief features or direction of mountain range. One thing you need to note that all the mountain ranges in Asia, they all run east to west, because of which they block, all these mountain ranges block moisturous wind coming from south. Hence, the regions to the south of these mountain ranges receives more rainfall, as well as these mountain ranges blocks the cold wind coming from north. So, Indian subcontinent is saved from, protected from the cold winds blowing from north. Apart from this, monsoon winds also affect the Asian climate, and these monsoon winds are featured by the seasonal reversal of wind direction. Means the winds blow in the summer from the direction, and in the winter season they blow from the opposite direction, because of which the distribution of rainfall is greatly affected. Ocean currents, the regular stream of water which moves in a definite direction. These are called ocean currents. What is this definite direction? Moving from equator to the north means towards the pole, and from poles towards the equator. So the currents which flow from equator to poles, they are warm currents, and the currents which flow from pole to equator, they are cold currents. Warm currents are always denoted with red color, and cool currents are always denoted with blue color. So ocean currents that affect the climate of Asia. There are two ocean currents. Number one, cool ocean current Oasis and warm ocean current Kuroshio. So the ocean currents like warm Kuroshio current and cold Oasis current, they also influence the climate of margins, the regions which are located on margins on the coastal region. So the places in the northeast of Asia, right? These places are influenced by Oasis cool current, so makes the region warmer. Here Kuroshio in this eastern part of Asia, they are affected by warm Kuroshio current. So these regions, coastal regions, Japanese islands, these all become warmer, make these coastal region warmer compared to other places located on the same latitude. Let's understand the summer and winter conditions in Asia. Summer conditions in Asia prevail from April to September. So during April to September, most of the Central Asia becomes very hot, and because of which the temperature rises drastically in this Central Asian region. The average temperature remains 30 degrees Celsius, and because of which low pressure is created in this region. So from the Indian Ocean and the Pacific Ocean, which are comparatively warmer compared to land, they have high pressure over here, and that is why winds blow from oceans to land. Those are called onshore winds, and they carry moisture from the water body, so they bring rain to these regions. This is known as summer monsoons. The conditions in the winter. So winter conditions prevail from October to March. During October to March, Asian landmass becomes very cold, and temperature drop below freezing point in Central Asia. So high pressure is created over here comparatively in the Indian Ocean and Pacific Ocean. They are warmer regions. So here low pressure is present. Now the winds blow from land to sea, which are dry. They do not carry moisture. They carry the moisture only if there is any water body in their way. So when they blow over the sea, they do pick some moisture and cause rain in the coastal regions. The western parts of Asia receive some rain because of cyclonic condition from over the Mediterranean Sea. Next is distribution of rainfall. So as per this, the regions are divided into heavy rainfall regions, moderate rainfall regions, and low rainfall regions. So heavy rainfall regions, they always receive more than 200 centimeters of rainfall every year. So equatorial region, coastal areas of Southeast Asia, foothills of Himalayas, and Northeast India, and the western coast of India, they receive heavy rainfall. Moderate rainfall, which receives 100 to 200 centimeters of rainfall annually. So parts of India, Southeast Asia, Central and Southern China, and North and South Korea. Apart from this, the parts of Japan also receives moderate rainfall. Low rainfall region, these region receives always less than 50 centimeters annually. So Southwest Asia, Central Asia, Northern Russia receive very scanty rainfall. In the next video, we will be learning about Asia climatic zones, wildlife and vegetation. Stay connected. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.